All right, they got the initial signal for a bullish breakout today in crude oil on the daily and the weekly time frame. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So we've been talking about this declining correction here, tightening consolidation, higher swing low, 88.6% retracement of this swing, 88.6% retracement of this larger swing. So we have some relationships because the last breakout followed what? A falling, tightening, parallel trend channel. The current breakout potentially is a falling, tightening trend channel on a different scale, i.e. we have some sign of the fractal nature of the market there. Nevertheless, the key here is a break above this top trend line of the channel, an inside day breakout, a reclaim of the purple 20 moving average, a new high for this short-term rally, and a likely strong daily close at the highest daily close for this short-term advance. Resistance was seen at the orange 60.14. Well, I'm sorry, at 60.10, just below the orange 50 moving average, which is a key dynamic resistance level. And now that it is being touched by price, the chance for a pickup in volatility, I think, is higher than it's been for some time, and this bull breakout may have a chance of being successful. So, but not until there's a daily close above the 50 moving average, starting with a daily close above today's high of 60.10, 60.09, 60.10. That will confirm the potential bullish reversal indicated here, and put crude oil heading towards a potential target zone up here around 63.83 to the blue 200 moving average at 64.02 currently, and falling. But some of these other levels need to be exceeded first. The top of this range here, a resistance at each of these swing highs. A rally above each will be confirmation of further strength coming into the market, and therefore the chance of reaching this initial target increases, at least in my opinion anyway. So we had something else established today. We had a higher swing low. So a breakout following a higher swing low is a trend continuation pattern. So we have a trend continuation signal for this small trend here, and this larger developing trend. Also, we can look at this as an ABCD pattern, and that's what provides this initial upside target above the prior swing high here, which is a lower swing high, and also established a neckline of a potential double bottom pattern. One low, two lows, two bottom. A breakout occurs above this high, 63.03. However, that's in the bigger picture, so I think from a shorter term perspective, it may take a little bit before that actually might mean something. It doesn't right now because it's not above double bottom until that signal triggers. Anyway, all bets are off on the upside if there's a drop below this swing low here at 58.36. Real quick, let's take a look at the weekly, because the weekly, I think, tells the story better. You can see a series of lower swing highs, lower swing lows until this week, where we now have a higher swing high, a higher daily high. I'm sorry, we had lower highs, lower lows in the weekly, and now we have a higher low and higher high. A bullish reversal confirmed by a weekly close above last week's high at 59.73, and there looks like there's a good chance of that happening. You can also see on the weekly that it's a breaking out of the 10-week moving average, which confirmed with these weekly highs as well. So that weekly level is at 59.66 currently. So that will be a breakout above there, will be further signs of strengthening for crude oil. All right, that's it for today, traders. Have a great Friday.